In 1949, 12 countries signed a pact that drew a line across Europe. Today, that line sits on Russia's border. This is how it happened, mapped. And by the end, you'll see exactly who's next in line. April 4th, 1949, Washington, D.C. The United States, Canada, and 10 European nations sign the North Atlantic Treaty. The core of the deal is Article 5, attack one and you've attacked them all. Greece and Turkey join in 52, West Germany in 55, and in response, Moscow creates the Warsaw Pact. For the next 3 decades, the map barely moves. Spain in 1982 is the only addition. Then in 1991, the Soviet Union collapses, and everything you're about to see happens in just 15 years. March 1999. Poland, Hungary, and the Czech Republic, all former Warsaw Pact members, join NATO. Moscow protests. Nobody stops. 5 years later comes the biggest wave in NATO history, 7 countries in a single day. The Baltics, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania were Soviet republics just 13 years earlier. Now, NATO's border touches Russia for the first time. Albania and Croatia follow in 2009. Montenegro, North Macedonia. The alliance keeps growing, but 2 countries famous for neutrality are still out. February 2022, Russia invades Ukraine. Within 3 months, Finland and Sweden, neutral for over 70 years, apply to join. Finland is in by April 2023. Overnight, NATO's land border with Russia more than doubles, 1,340 kilometers added in a day. Sweden follows in 2024. The Baltic Sea is now effectively a NATO lake. 32 countries, nearly 1 billion people, the largest military alliance in history, and it started with 12 signatures. So here's the question, who's next? Georgia? Ukraine? Drop your answer below and subscribe. The next map is already in motion.